Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling 5G on iPhone 14. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Settings app on your phone. Open Mobile Data from the settings. Choose Mobile Data Options. Tap Voice and Data. If you choose 5G on, 5G will stay on all of the time, even if it may reduce battery life. If you choose 5G Auto, your phone will only use 5G when it won't significantly reduce battery life. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.